And where's she getting the hair to play dress up with him? Creepy.
It's okay. Sorry. I wasn't looking.
Move it, moron. Hi, Tessa. Oh, no. Another one?
That's weird and concerning.
Bite me! This is probably you weirdo's fault!
I've never seen that symbol before. Wanna do an autopsy to find out?
Mind.
You wanna buy some crack?
Yeah, just fix her up, cause, whoops, pretty big security risk in hindsight. You got this, ladder bot 5,000?
Please, just leave the lights.
I can put you to sleep forever.
Mr. Doorman, sir, there's been an incident.
Ugh, I'm sweaty! Who programmed that?
You good, Uzi?
I'm good. Better than good. I am God!
Yo, ladder about 5,000? We looked everywhere for you.
Hello, Tim. Care to join me?
Join you standing eerily still over there in suspiciously low resolution?
Yes? Alright. No, 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 no! Wait, 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 wait! Wait, 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 wait!
Welcome back, Thad. Wait, isn't she grounded or something?
Ugh, banished! Has my dad been saying I'm grounded?
Genocide robot? Oh, all right. Just don't do it again. Get in here.
We're busy then anyway, so whatever. So lame.
What's with the voice, Jay?
Oh, Jay's not here. We are trying to repair that host as per our directive.
So you are a program?
More like you are our cute puppets. It hurts our feelings you don't remember us.
And what's with the mom hologram?
Easier to assimilate than explain.
Not happening.
Fair, but poor choice. Now we will have to do something shocking.
Whoa! Hey!
Goodbye, Dad.
What?
Ain't cried.
Uzi, shoot! Or give it to me!
Claw swipe. Snarl.
Uzi, you good? No.
Pranked, idiot. Stupid. Lucky for you, it's not fun. Time to go into my mouth now. Ow. And please don't. And also, I was using those.
No. Wait. Wait.
What was... Which parts of that were real?
Sneaky. Sneaking away. Get snuck upon. Ow. 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 Ow.
Gorgeous, right? I'm gonna let her in. Jesus, sorry, industrial strength ghost or whatever. Settle.
I hate your personality normally, but this is somehow worse. What am I being punished for?